It was Monday morning. Ravi stood outside a small classroom. He felt nervous, very nervous. He looked at the sign on the door, English Class for Beginners. Ravi took a deep breath and walked inside. The classroom was simple and bright. There were colorful posters on the wall. One poster said, "Do not be afraid to make mistakes." Ravi sat quietly in the last chair. Other students smiled at him, but Ravi looked down at his notebook. He thought, "My English is bad. Maybe everyone is better than me." A few minutes later, the teacher walked into the room. "Good morning, everyone," she said happily. The students answered together, "Good morning." The teacher wrote her name on the board. "Hello, my name is Emma. Welcome to your first English class." She smiled warmly. "Today we will learn simple words and simple sentences. Relax and enjoy." Ravi felt a little better. Emma held up a red apple. "What is this?" she asked. A girl in the front answered quickly, "It is an apple." "Very good," Emma said. Then Emma pointed to Ravi. "And you? What is your name?" Ravi became nervous again. His hands felt cold. Slowly he stood up. My name, Ravi." The classroom became quiet. Emma smiled kindly. "Good try. You can say, 'My name is Ravi.'" Ravi repeated carefully, "My name is Ravi." "Excellent," Emma said. The students clapped softly. Ravi smiled for the first time. Next, the class learned new words. Book, chair, window, pen. Emma showed pictures and actions for every word. The class repeated together. Book, chair, window, pen. Ravi repeated the words again and again. Soon, he remembered them easily. Then Emma said, "Now let's make sentences." She wrote on the board, "This is a pen." The students practiced speaking. Ravi looked at his pen and whispered, "This is a pen." Again, "This is a pen." Again, "This is a pen." This time, his voice was stronger. During break time, Ravi sat alone. Suddenly, a boy walked toward him. "Hi, I'm Leo," the boy said. "Can I sit here?" Ravi nodded. Leo smiled. "Are you nervous too?" Ravi laughed softly. "Yes, a little." "Me too," Leo said. "But the teacher is nice." Ravi agreed. The two boys started talking slowly in English. "Where are you from?" Leo asked. "I am from India," Ravi answered proudly. "Cool, I am from Brazil." They both smiled. Even with simple English, they could understand each other. Ravi felt happy. After the break, Emma played a game. She showed pictures very quickly. The students had to say the English words fast. Cat, table, phone, water. Everyone laughed and shouted answers. Ravi forgot his fear. He raised his hand many times. At one moment, Emma showed a picture of a bicycle. Many students stayed quiet. Ravi quickly answered, "Bicycle." "Wonderful," Emma said. She gave Ravi a gold star sticker. The whole class clapped again. Ravi's face turned red, but this time he felt proud. At the end of the class, Emma asked, "What did you learn today?" One student said, "I learned new words." Another student said, "I learned to speak without fear." Then Emma looked at Ravi. "And you?" Ravi stood up slowly. Before today, he was afraid to speak English. But now, something had changed. He took a deep breath and said clearly, "My name is Ravi. I can speak a little English now, and I am happy." The classroom filled with applause. Emma smiled warmly. "Very good, Ravi. Confidence is the first step." That evening,